Got it here, another $250 junk drawer. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's like a mystery box. So let's see what we got this time. Packaging. Ooh, money, $2 bill, red stamp. That's cool. A little bit collectible. Tool over here. We'll scan it with the eBay app. See how much it's worth. It's about $5 to $12. Depends. Nothing super rare or super valuable. What is this? Looks like a petrified wood statue of orca or kasatka, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's definitely petrified wood. I think the petrified wood is pretty valuable in itself. Petrified wood meaning like it's a wood that pretty much turned into rock. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, and that's in itself. You could do things with that, like a different art projects. That's cool. Okay, looks like it's one of those nice calculators. Those things are pretty expensive. Not sure if it works or if it just needs batteries. Okay, there's coins of some sort. We'll look at it close up. Let's see what else is in here. What we got here? Whole bunch of coins. That's nice. Okay. Silver is actually up $1.50 since I've been buying this stuff, so that's kind of nice. It's about $1.80 each, $1.70, so about $5 to $6 each right here. That's cool. What coins? Let's look through them real quick. Nice. Francs. Nothing super valuable. This one is, This is a silver round, 39s. Let's see. Yeah, 39s, 1 ounce. That's about $25 to $30. More gold coins. Oh, there is a mercury dime, another one, and another piece of silver. That's cool. So like right here, $17, $20 close to. This right here is a silver $half. That's cool. Little collectible, mostly melt value. That's it. Oh, cool. Huh. That's funny. What brand is that? Stainless steel, China. So it's very cheap stuff over here for sure. Another one. Looks like wolves, but again, this is super cheap stuff over here. Maybe a couple dollars each. Ooh, that's a good stuff right here. Nice. Vintage silver bar, but I don't know, $25 to $30. Depends where you sell it. On eBay, you probably get the most value out of it. But if you take it to a coin store, maybe a little bit less value, but you don't have to ship it and stuff and deal with the eBay fees. 1964. What is it, like $6 melt value, about $4 melt value over here. Oh wait, maybe it's $8 melt value. More silver. That's awesome. A whole bunch of silver. It's a good junk drawer over here so far. World coin. This is kind of cool. Eagle holding a snake. Oh, that's it. Buffalo cup around. What we got? World coins. This side here, 1940, I think. Yep, 44. So this is silver. Ooh, bubble dime. Nah, it's not. Look like it. It's more very cool. World coins. What is it? 1969, 40% silver. So it's like about $3. This side here, if it's 40% silver, it's about $1 something. Cool. More very cool world coins. Even world coins, they will buy it from you per pound at coin stores if they're not super valuable. Ooh, check out this stone. Cool. Looks like silver. I don't know, maybe not silver, but still looks pretty cool. It's not, I think it says 925. Pretty cool jewelry. Whole bunch of jewelry. Might be some of that silver. Okay, we have more coins of some sort or something. Maybe watches. Okay, there's rounds, there's pins. Oh, that's kind of cool. Elvis pin. More looks like silver, but I wouldn't know till I test it. It does look like silver, but it's like a generic stuff. This is a bunch of pins over here. Only a plate. That's funny. Are they collectible? Maybe. People collect everything. You never know what people like. Oh, I think this is a clock. Very cool. Like a little boat clock or some sort. I have no idea. Huh. That's some cheap clock. And another folding knife. Cool. Oh, looks like there's one more thing. What's we missed here? Ooh, sweet, a good jewelry. Oh, is it sterling? I don't see the markings. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think? In my opinion, this silver is the most valuable thing right here. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.